Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to Channel Name, your go-to place for all things gardening. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in gardening, vertical gardening. Perfect for small spaces, urban settings, or anyone looking to get creative with their garden setup. Let's explore some awesome vertical gardening ideas that can transform any space into a green oasis. Ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is vertical gardening? In simple terms, it's all about growing plants upward rather than outward. This method is great for maximizing space, especially in urban areas, or if you don't have a lot of ground space to work with. Plus, it can look stunning when done right. You can use walls, fences, or even standalone structures to create a vertical garden. Let's explore some creative ways to make the most of this technique. First up, wall planters. These are one of the simplest and most effective ways to create a vertical garden. You can use individual pots mounted on a wall, or opt for specialized vertical planting systems. Wall planters are perfect for growing herbs, small flowers, or even trailing plants like ivy. They're easy to install and can fit almost anywhere, like on a balcony, fence, or even inside your home. Looking for a DIY option? Try a pallet garden. These are budget-friendly and super easy to set up. All you need is an old wooden pallet, some soil, and your favorite plants. Simply attach landscape fabric to the back and sides, fill the pallet with soil, and plant your choice of vegetables, herbs, or flowers. It's an eco-friendly way to recycle materials and create a stunning garden feature. Next up we have trellises. If you're growing vining plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or beans, a trellis is the perfect structure to help them grow upwards. Trellises can be made from wood, metal, or even DIY materials like bamboo. They take up minimal ground space and allow your plants to grow tall and thrive. For those with really limited space, consider hanging gardens. Use baskets, fabric pouches, or even repurposed items like old bottles to create your vertical garden. Hanging gardens are perfect for small herbs, strawberries, and even some leafy greens. They're not only practical, but add a beautiful aesthetic to any space. Now, if you want to go all out, green walls, also known as living walls, are the way to go. These are perfect for those looking to make a bold statement. A green wall involves mounting plants on a vertical surface, often using a hydroponic system. You can grow anything from ferns and succulents to even edible plants. Not only do green walls look stunning, but they also help purify the air and reduce noise pollution. Green walls are perfect for both outdoor and indoor spaces. Imagine transforming a dull wall into a living piece of art. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to help you succeed with vertical gardening. Choose the right plants. Opt for plants that thrive in vertical environments like vines, herbs, and small vegetables. Mind the sunlight. Make sure your vertical garden gets the right amount of sunlight depending on what you're growing. Watering vertical gardens can dry out faster, so keep an eye on your watering schedule. Consider using drip irrigation systems for easy maintenance. Soil and fertilizer. Use high-quality soil and add compost or organic fertilizer to ensure your plants get the nutrients they need. Maintenance. Regularly prune, check for pests, and rotate plants to keep them healthy. So whether you're working with a tiny balcony or just want to add some greenery to your walls, vertical gardening is the perfect solution. Not only does it save space, but it also adds beauty and functionality to any area. Which vertical gardening idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening!